You know what they say, health is wealth, and when it comes to your heart, that truly affects your entire body. This next segment has been sponsored by our friends from Incredible Heart, where your heart takes center stage. And joining us is the founder and owner of Incredible Heart, as well as a board-certified cardiologist. We have Dr. Kunal Gurav. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Chelsea.
Absolutely. Tell us a little bit more about how you got started with Incredible Heart.
Great. So Incredible Heart is a process wherein we try to prevent heart disease from happening in the first place. You know, heart disease is completely preventable. A lot of people end up with heart problems, but if they had the right treatment, if they had the right prevention to be taken beforehand, we could completely prevent it. So that's my own, I'm passionate about that. I'm trying to pick up heart disease in people before it becomes a problem. And also we treat people with heart conditions and we try to prevent it from getting worse. So that's the story of Incredible Heart.
Hey, I love that.
You mentioned the prevention side. What are some practical things people can do to take care of their heart?
Perfect. So some simple basics, right? For example, if I give you a correlation about, say, brushing your teeth. We brush your teeth twice a day. It's for dental health. But we should do something for the heart health as well. Simple as like even 20 to 30 minutes of physical activity every day. Minimize added sugar intake in your food and just eat a diet which is good, healthy, plant-based, whole foods, a lot of nuts, and eat in moderation. Simple things. I know it's easy to say, hard to implement,
right.
But simple things. If you do it consistently, it protects your heart. And it's also important, just like we check your cars for servicing, you have that engine light sign on and you do the servicing. It's important to get an idea about what's going on with your heart, especially if you're 50 and above. It's very, very important to get a baseline assessment of your cardiac status. So if you have a family history of heart problems, mom, dad, brother, sister, then it's even more important to get your heart checked just to make sure we are picking things up in advance before it becomes worse.
Absolutely. We know that family history is so important. Looking at that family history, maybe taking some of those preventative measures. I mean, let's talk about some of the common signs of heart disease. What are they, Doc?
Right. So luckily, your heart presents with some common signs. It could be vague signs, like you can have some chest pain. You can have worsening tiredness or fatigue. You can have shortness of breath. You can have what we call as palpitations. That's a medical term wherein your heart feels fluttering. You feel a flip-flop, you feel a skip beat. It's happening more frequently. You can have leg swelling more than usual. That could be a sign of congestive heart failure. These are the commonest signs. But unfortunately, there are a lot of heart conditions which don't have signs. I mean, you have to get it checked. You can see something on an EKG or an ultrasound of the heart. You may not have symptoms yet, but we can pick things up before you manifest as signs. But the common signs, as you asked, is chest pain, shortness of breath, leg swelling, syncope, passing out, so on and so forth.
Oh my gosh, and we don't want to experience any of those symptoms in St. Louis. If you're interested in learning more about Incredible Heart, how you can be involved in preventative health measures for your heart, you can check them out. People can also book and scan that QR code. It's right there on your screen. So we'll make sure you have access to all of those details online. It is Incredible Heart. And the people at home and are watching, where are you located, Dr. Gurav?
We are located in Brentwood in the University Tower building. We are on the 6th floor. And yeah, we've been there since May of last year.
Congratulations. You're almost coming up on a year,
yeah.
So congrats. We'll make sure you have access to all of those details online at studiostl.tv. Take care of your heart, take care of your heart health, and know your family's history. The Incredible Heart Clinic is here to help you, and all that information will be online at studiostl.tv.